like the Penta air relief valve, air bleeder, superior to all the other air reliefs on the market. It has this dial here built into the gauge, so you can actually mark when the filter is clean and when the filter gets dirty by turning this dial. One of the things I like about this air relief valve, it lets the air out of your filter very rapidly. I'm going to go ahead and remove the old one. I don't really like these Sta-Rite ones. The air bleed is really weak on it. Just take off the whole assembly here. Should just thread right out. I'm going to go ahead and assemble it real quick. First thing you want to do is take this piece out of the top. And you want to wrap this part of the gauge with some Teflon tape. So once you have it wrapped with Teflon tape, you want to thread it into the air assembly. Okay, once you have that in there tight, we'll go ahead and put it onto the filter. Then you'll just take the new one, go ahead and thread it in. No need for Teflon tape here. And turn on the pull and check for any leaks. Okay, it's on there good, and now you have a really good air relief. And a really nice thing about the air relief assembly is that when you go to fill up your pump basket, you don't need to have a bucket of water. I'll show you a quick trick with it. Clean out the basket. You can just open up the air relief. And you can see the pump will fill up with water from the filter. And once there's enough water in there, go ahead and close the air relief. And now simply put the lid on and start the pump. You see it filled up right away with water. And just open this up to let the air out. So I would highly recommend installing this on your Sta-Rite System 3 filter. InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of swimming pool tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.